If I'ma be one of the greatest, I gotta give all the glory to Jesus.
Today is MotoGP weekend in Austin, Texas. Me and the boys will be heading out there down to EPP once again, linking up with EPP, ATX Tuna Society again. So it's gonna be another banger, man. It's gonna be a lot of content going on tonight. I can't wait for y'all to see how we gonna turn the fuck up. I missed y'all, I love y'all. As y'all can see, I kind of been in the gym a little bit. Man. So we're trying to get the body right for the summer too. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I guarantee you, y'all don't want to miss this one, man.
We're outside tonight, man. It's day one of probably a 2-day video, so just stick with us, man, and understand that this shit is a process. And I do this for y'all, man. I know I don't be outside as often as I should, but guess what? Things are about to change.
Stay in my 5-bedroom house with her 6 kids. Everything on this earth that happened to you, you didn't choose it. It chose you.
Word.
And then when God get tired of using you, he gonna say, come on home. And you gonna be like, no, I'm getting to be liking what's going on now.
Yeah, I'm not on the list, I bet your ass that I get in. I tell my girl to tell your girls to bring their friends. I take you into my world and you can see through my lens. Promise I'll buy that house for my mom, so I'll buy that Benz. I never lie to my brothers, they ask me a question, you know that I'm keeping it to.
Packed out here, as you can see. People are still pulling in. If y'all not here, man, y'all need to pull up. We're in the MotoGP after party at EPP, hosted by ATX Tuna Society. Out here with the squad. Oh my God, is it S1K Joe?
What's up, baby? You good?
What up?
Oh, what's going on, chat?
You already know. I got Greg, Mike.
Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
Outside, man. Pull up if you're here. I mean, y'all probably won't see this till after, but no loss. What's going on, brother? How you doing? Good, I'm good, man. Bro, I've been waiting to see this bitch in person for a little minute. Really? Yeah. I love how you did the new colors.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I just paint matched it to the old fairings after I crashed.
Yeah.
It looks a lot better on these fairings. What's your name?
Ramon.
Hey, man.
I'm Rev10R on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Bro, this color is beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
My name's Jack, otherwise known as DFW Cars on Instagram.
Let's go.
You may know me. Yeah, just visiting Austin for the weekend for MotoGP.
Hell yeah, let's get it. All right, it's a little quieter down here, man. Can't even hear myself think. Everybody finally turned their engines off. But it's gonna be a movie tonight, bro. Oh shit, is that Flocka? Maybe. How you doing?
How are you?
I'm Rev10R. I follow you.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah.
I know you. Yeah, I've definitely seen your name on my Instagram.
You don't have your bike?
No. A couple hours before we're supposed to come out here.
I think I follow you on YouTube, my boy.
Oh, bro.
Yes, sir.
What's
Yes,
your
sir.
name, my man?
Rev10R.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Cleanest curls in the game, looking at. Hey, shit. I need a reach, my guy. Shit.
Hey,
Who got you?
I got you. The boys are here. Let's go.
You gotta make room.
This is how TRP roll, gang. Deep as fuck, boy. This is all TRP. It's about ride. Y'all see this crowd, man?
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Who you got? You said you got.
I got a G37. That's
Okay.
I got money on his spaghetti.
You still got the money on you?
I still got my money.
All right. I think Mustang took this one. I'm sorry, bro. It happens.
Cute brother.
It happens though. It happens though. Word. Alright, so if you don't know, we're having a rev competition. This guy's 2-0 right now. It's been pretty quiet. My fucking. This shit is insane, bro. Lies might be the toughest fucking car here.
Hey, you remember how?
Alright, I gotta go let my eardrums cool off. My shit burning, bro. Y'all not here, man. I swear. You need to pull up. is ridiculous. Like my ears are fucking smoked. Fuck. My camera died, man, but that's a wrap for day one. EPP, ATX, Tuner Society has been real. We'll see y'all tomorrow.